Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install extension in Safari. So if you want to install extension in your Safari browser in your MacBook, what you have to do, first of all, I am going to open my Safari. Okay, now now here you will see in the menu bar, you will see all the menus appear of Safari browser. So what you have to do, just click on this Safari, and here you will Safari extension option. Just click on it. So when you click on it, you will see it is opened in your App Store. So here you will see many free extensions are available here, and you can just click on this and you will get many free extensions. So you can download it from here, install it from here. So if I want to install this Grammarly writing app, okay, in my in Safari, okay, so just click on it and click on install. So when you click on install, you have to enter your Apple ID password here. It will ask, and so like this I have to enter here. So and after that it will be installed. Okay, now it will be start. Now downloading will be started, and so like this you can install it, and after a few seconds you will see that the extension has been installed in Safari. Okay, so like this you can install the extension in your Safari browser, and after that just wait for a few seconds and open your Safari browser. Okay, wait for a few seconds, and when you go to the setting, and here you will see extensions option. Now it is showing that there are no extension installed, but after few seconds you will see that this Grammarly writing app will be installed in my Safari. So like this you can install in extension in Safari browser. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.